Well, go on, beautiful people. So yeah, I go by the name Alex Sterling. Yeah, I'm sure by now you've already figured out that I'm no more in Qatar. I'm in Thailand, specifically Phuket. So I came here for just a vacation. Today I want to walk you through my accommodation, how the accommodation looks like, the facilities, how much it cost me to, live here for a month. So I'm just gonna walk you through everything, how much it costs. Not that I've relocated from Qatar, but yeah, I'm still in Qatar. I just left Qatar for a vacation and I came to Thailand. I know most people will be thinking, why Thailand? Why Thailand? I don't know myself, but I just feel like, yeah, I wanted that feel, I wanted that vibe. So yeah, I'm still here. I'm gonna be here for a month. And I just want to show you around the place first of all. But then I would like to show you where I live, the accommodation, the facilities. I'm marveled. It's very beautiful. For instance, you can see a swimming pool behind us over there. So I'm going to walk you through everything. Let's say an apartment tour, basically. So follow me. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. Okay, guys. So this is how the whole place looks like, and it has a very beautiful city view. So I'm going to show you the gym first of all. Saudi Cup. Okay, so there you go. This is the gym. So I've not been able to work out so far since I got here. Myself, I've not had enough sleep. I've just been, exploring the place and all of that, so I can give you a feeling of how the place looks like. So this is how the gym looks like, and it's dope. It's I feel like it's okay. You've got treadmills over here, weights, and all of that. So yeah, let's go show you the swimming pool. So that's the swimming pool. People are still chilling. There are people living all over this place. Okay, so now we're inside. So this is the reception. This is where everyone comes when they are checking in. There's also one more thing I want to show you before we even go inside. So you can see motorbikes outside there. Saudi car. So all these motorbikes are for tenants, for people living here. Most of them are for rent. So if you come here, in Thailand, most people are always on the motorbike. So when you get here, they could rent you, or you could rent some bikes and some cars as well. I don't know how much they cost for a day, but I'll definitely find out and put them in the description box. So now let's go into the room, show you how my room looks like. So there is 7-Eleven here, and this is in the apartment. So yeah, if you want to buy something, no need for you to walk all the way outside or anything of that sort. You just need to slot your money in there, and there you go. You buy whatever you want to buy. So it's a very calm place, and I love it. I'm not gonna lie. So there is an access card. You can't go in without the access card. There you go. So I'm in the second floor. There are over 1,000 rooms over here. So, and it's very clean, and I would urge each and everyone, if you're planning to come to Thailand and and to come to Phuket specifically, I would suggest you come to this place. It's called the Condominium. City view. Yeah. So I just got into the elevator. I'm going upstairs. So just gonna go third floor, or second floor. Yep, let's go up. Voila. Oh, let me show you this view over here. Man, everything is natural over here. It gives me that feeling of, Africa, Ghana. It gives me that feeling. So, yeah, let's go to the room now. I'm gonna show you. So, I'm on the third floor now. Where's my room? Now we're here. Just gonna head into the room. Let's go. Okay, so need to remove the key. Come inside. So this is how the room looks like. It's locked. So you have this like a dining table over here. You have a shoe rack here where you can put your shoes and stuff like that. They gave us doormats. Let me see that. A couch or a sofa. is this a couch or a sofa? So you can, you know, over here, table. There's a bed over here. And one thing that I like so much about this place is that it's furnished. It's finished. And just wait till I tell you how much all this cost. See, we've got TV over here. I don't know what we have in here, but okay, so it's empty. These are my bag. Cabinets. You don't get things like this in Qatar at a very affordable prices. So yeah, we got 2 blankets. Very nice finished bed. And the bathroom. So let me put on the light. What? Oh, so this is how it looks like. Nice, right? So one more thing that I need to show you. You have a refrigerator. It wasn't equipped with, you know, any food, or I mean, it didn't have anything. I had to buy all these things. And yeah, so what else? We have a microwave over here, and it's working. I tried it this morning. Goodness. So all these are kind of empty. Oh, so we met this over here, this frying pan. So and we have a washing machine here. I've already tried this since I got here. I've been washing. I still have some clothes inside that need to be washed. So you can see from here, most of the clothes that I washed are still not dried, you know. So I need to keep them like this. So yeah, let me show you the view outside here. Okay. So look at the view outside here. Tell me this is not beautiful. So we're on the 3rd floor. And there are a lot of motorbikes. I like that. Myself, I've been riding. Maybe I'm going to make a video about motorbike, you know, lives over here. How crazy it is. People ride like crazy over here, sometimes without helmets. I've seen a couple of times people were, you know, bypassing when the traffic was still red. So yeah, this is how the whole place looks like. Okay guys, so let's get busy now. So now if you're wondering how much all these things cost, it's just about 15,000 bahts, Thailand bahts, and in dollars it's close to, or it's equivalent to $437. Yeah, for me I think it's a very decent price. It's not too expensive, and considering the fact that it's in the outskirts of, you know, Phuket itself, I think it makes it so beautiful for you know, anyone who would want to be in Phuket to be here. Because trust me, the surrounding and the environment, everything is just perfect, and the internet connection is amazing over here. So now, how did we even get here? How did we even get all these things? Now you can go to Facebook. Maybe I'm just going to put their contacts, or maybe their Facebook link or Facebook address or whatsoever in the description box. If you know you like this place and you might want to, you know, crash over here when you get to Thailand, I think it will be very brilliant idea for you to, you know, choose a place like this, because at the end of the day, you're getting this and that, the refrigerator and the, you know, the washing machine, everything for, you know, a very affordable price. And also one more thing that I need to add, we got this place for about 25,000 bahts. Now that 25,000 is a whole lot of money, I think, but now 10,000 bahts will be returned to us when we live in this place. You know, like it's for you to, I don't know how to put it, but it's to secure the place, you know. So you put 10,000 extra. So aside from the 15,000 that you need to pay, you put another 10,000. Then when you leave in this place, your 10,000 will be returned back to you. Okay, so it's just like, okay, you didn't break anything, everything is still intact. Okay, this is your 10,000. They give it back to you. So that is all about that. And yeah, basically that is all about that. So far so good. I'm enjoying Phuket. I'm enjoying Thailand. I'll be moving to Bangkok very soon, and I'm going to make more videos and more videos and more videos, I promise. So if you're new on this channel, kindly make sure to subscribe. My name is Malik Sterling. Oof, hold on. My name is Malik Sterling, and yeah, this is how it all looks like. So just a moment. Yep, so it's all like this, right? Isn't that beautiful? It's amazing, right? Okay, so see you on the other side. Stay safe. Don't get yourself into any trouble.